down, and I'm going to sweep my right leg underneath. Right leg goes underneath, sweep, straight into a hook knee spin with that same momentum, sweep, like this. This is going to extend out, and I'm going to drag it underneath, and it's going to go into a dead leg, like so. Dead leg underneath, change hands, jump up to the high hook, low hook, unhook, repeat on the other side. Sweep, go straight in with that flow, straight into a hooked knee spin. Bring it around, see how that's flowing, go under, dead leg. Change hands, jump up, high hook, jump down, low hook. And then it repeats again. Wrap, spin, dead leg, jump, low hook, 0, change sides. Wrap straight around in the flow, under for the dead leg, change hands, up, down.